I wonder what's that Nancy has. It looks like a jack stand or something. Let me go check. So this jack stand here is one that I got, let's see, about 30 years ago. So that kind of gives you an idea of how old I am. And it's a nice one, but it finally quit working. So Matt decided to get another one. He is probably going to try to fix the other one, but in the meantime, he picked this one up. We got it at Harbor Freight. It's a 3-ton heavy duty. Pretty standard. How much was it? 99 bucks. So we looked at Home Depot. They had a similar one for 129, and we figured just go with this one because most of the stuff we've gotten from Harbor Freight has been pretty good. All right, we're gonna do an unboxing of it. Okay, it's unboxed. Is it a rapid pump?
No.
Is it?
Yeah, it says rapid pump on it.
Does it go faster than the other one?
No. It's
So,
the same as ours.
is it shorter? It looks short.
It looks a little smaller, yeah.
It says it's 18.5.
Well, like front to back, it's a little shorter.
I meant height.
Oh. Maybe a little.
One thing I notice on this jack is that the cup is a little shallow, whereas our old jack has a really deep cup. Also, it has these little ridges around the edge here that are nice because they kind of help it grip and hold in place whatever you're jacking up. Matt has a Daytona jack by Harbor Freight, and it's totally flat, so you have to be careful because it can actually slip off of whatever you're jacking up. If you notice on this jack, the cup is really huge. It's really deep, which is nice because it wraps around whatever you're jacking up and actually cradles it to help hold it in place. Another thing that's a little different about this jack is the height. It's over an inch taller than the Harbor Freight jack. That's not a problem right now, but it could be a problem when Matt gets his bigger tires because there might not be enough height to lift up the jack. All right, here we go. First pump test. Overall, the new jack that we got from Harbor Freight is nice. It's seems durable, well made, and it's going to do perfect for everything that we need it for. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment and we'll try to answer and help out in any way we can.